So one of the biggest mistakes that I see people making is that they look at their alumni database, they go through it, they reach out to those folks and they say, okay, I'm done. I don't have anyone else to reach out to. And this is just a very narrow way of approaching recruiting. And this is just the advice I wish someone had given me, which is that you really want to look for common ground and common threads across really anyone working in investment banking or private equity or hedge funds that you're trying to reach out to. And so a few examples that I'd give here are, if you go to a liberal arts school, any other liberal arts school student is in your network. So even if you didn't go to the same school, you're still someone who has common ground with them. If you went to a non-target school, anyone who's a non-target student is in your network, and that's an excuse to reach out. If you, let's say, played lacrosse or you were in ballet, whatever the case may be, if you can see that that other person did that, they're in your network regardless of where they went to school. And in terms of the larger state schools, if you're in a sports conference, anyone else in the sports conference is in your network. And so as you're thinking about your networking span, you want to make it as wide as possible so that you can reach out to more folks to build quality relationships as you work your way into this field. So if you found this video helpful, definitely hit the like button down below and subscribe. We've got a lot more coming. Hope to see you soon.